Hi, Dr. Mark Shop. I'm going to talk about the Paleo Diet today. The Paleo Diet is instrumental in our office. We put people on the Paleo Diet. In many instances, we use a couple other diets too. Paleo Diet, we can see a decrease of 50 to 70% of pain in a lot of chronic pain patients because we start eating good, we start decreasing inflammation, and we just do much better. So also for your immune system, and in these days we need a proper immune system. The closer we get to optimal weight, the better our immune system's going to function. So, our immune system's there to fight viruses, to fight bacteria, to do things to keep us well. We have an immune system or an immune alliance between all these organs and glands that does that. So the Paleo Diet, look, if you're going to watch the news, you're not going to see anything. I would be shocked if you saw anything about the immune system, about doing things to prevent certain illnesses and sicknesses, or to boost your immune system up so you'll prevent viruses. And this is just getting kind of tiring watching all this when there's things we can do for our health. So number one, we want good quality meats on the Paleo Diet. We want the free-range chickens. We want the cows that are out grazing in the field, no antibiotics, organic, no steroids, no drugs, grass-fed, and that's going to be a lot better. So we want to have good quality fish. We want to have good quality seafood. So we want the stuff raised in nature. We don't want farm-raised fish, farm-raised salmon. We want good Atlantic salmon or salmon that they catch in streams or wherever, but we want good quality foods. We want good eggs, organic eggs, free-range eggs from free-range chickens. So we want those eggs to be good, healthy. The egg yolk has, eggs have taken a bad rap, but the egg yolk has just about every nutrient man needs. And so there's more fat metabolizers to break down cholesterol than there is cholesterol in the egg. So we need good eggs. It's home run to health. We should be eating eggs basically every day. Fruits and veggies. We need to eat good quality fruits. I like my patients on more veggies than fruits. A little bit of fruit, a lot of vegetables. And so we need good quality, organic when you can, but eat fruits and vegetables. Healthy fats, olive oil, coconut oil, avocados. Nuts can have some good healthy fats, but we need the healthy fats to maintain the Paleo Diet. And then there's nuts and seeds, of course. I just mentioned nuts, but a handful of nuts a day, some seeds. I mix different nuts with, throw pumpkin seeds in there. Sometimes I throw a few raisins in there too. And eating good foods, not boxed foods, good quality foods. Not the foods you bring in the bag, good stuff, whole foods. In our house, we have all whole foods. We have anything else, because if you put that sugar, that cupcake, that cake, you're gonna be tempted. So we just don't have it in the house. So on the bad side, I'm gonna call this the bad side. We want to stay away from grains and legumes. We don't want them. We don't want breads. We don't want any of that type of stuff. Causes more inflammation, causes more problems. We don't need it. GMO foods. Let's scratch them as we go. GMO foods. God made foods correctly. Man doesn't have to change them. Okay, anytime man corrupts what we have in nature, it gets worse. And so we don't want GMO foods. They're no good. They're not good for the body. They don't hook up with the body properly. So sugar, one of the worst things we can eat. Feeds cancer cells, kills your immune system 70% for 5 hours. I said that in one of my other videos. One Coke will kill your immune system 70% for 5 hours. Sugar kills the immune system. And recently, with all this virus stuff and going on and everything, I go to the store and I look in people's carts, which I do all the time anyway. But I look in people's carts and I see sugar, this says sugar, this says sugar, this says sugar. Let me wear a mask. Okay, let's boost up our immune system. That's what we need to do. Stop eating the stuff that kill the immune system. High fructose corn syrup, maybe worse than sugar. So ascorbic acid comes from high fructose corn syrup. I've seen in some reports. That's vitamin C. It's not vitamin C. They claim it's vitamin C. Ascorbic acid, I talk about a lot, is the eggshell of the vitamin C complex. You need whole food vitamin C. Your immune system runs on calcium, vitamin C. There's more C in white blood cells than anywhere else in the body. Phagocytosis, to eat bacteria and viruses. The white blood cells need calcium. We need different things for our immune system. A lot of those things we get in foods, but with patients, we use also whole food supplements, concentrated food supplements, so we can bump up the immune system. And we're doing that every day right now. We're bumping up the immune system. Dairy, we want to stay away from dairy. Not part of the paleo diet, and it's just not healthy for us. Trans fats, there's boxed bag foods. Like I said, we don't want those boxed and bagged foods. Now, if you got a bag of spinach, that's okay. But we don't want those boxed and the bagged foods. We don't want the trans fats. We want good quality fats, like we mentioned over here on the good side. So vegetable oils, we don't want that Crisco and all those. I don't know all those oils. We stay away from. We use coconut oil, high quality olive oil, things like that. So that's the paleo diet. We've seen remarkable results with the paleo diet. We do a lot of weight loss anyway, but we use the paleo diet. We try to get people to eat closer to this. We eat close to this and far this. America's health problem is here. It's what we put in our bodies, and we're killing our immune system. We're killing ourselves. I think it's the Surgeon General, I believe, said 85% now, they say, of our disease is man-made. From our lifestyle, chemicals, what we put on our body, what we eat, what we put on our skin, all this stuff that we do, and we're sitting there killing ourselves. So I encourage you to go paleo. You can look on the internet for more about paleo. There's tons of stuff, paleo diet, and it can help you quite a bit. Have any questions? Call my office, 314-843-9355. And remember, always listen to science. Don't listen to what's out there, and regain your health, regain your life.